Yahawe Kigali Rwanda umva erega umunyarwanda kandi baravuga bacungana mu kinyarwanda ngamazi arashya ariko nibagirwa iwabo wambeho ego ndi home rero Kigali kabisa ariko abapaparazi we nabimye interview ko airport naje nabihisha ariko umva mwagize ute mwanshakije muramfotora mu ngirute anyway rero Kigali kabisa ngo nimuzanceho ngo mwange kunsuhuza mwabipondeze mwe umva muzansuhuza kavyuse ko This place so peaceful, guys. So peaceful. Wow. Anyway, ndikubona message zanyu umva telefone yanyu murenda kuyimena. Gusa that's good. Thank you for the love, guys. Thank you for the love. Ndaza gushaka ukuntu mwese nzabasubiza nzashaka no kumvitegura nka live tuganire. Abantu birwaga bavuga amagambo batazi ngerike bine Eric biriya nimukajye mugendera mu kigali no kumva amakuru y'ibihuha nimukajye mwumva ibihuha si byiza yeretse ko abantu nyine baba bashaka kugira abanayigurishiriza amakuru ariko deep and down taho meze neza ngewe ibyo bavuga byose biraza bikinjira hano bigasohokera hano ndacyari Eric wa wundi meze neza ndakomeye so hano ari ikintu mbaye koko na filter nashyizemo kugira ngo mubone ko rwose I'm good niko yeah anyway ndi hano ndi guciringa ndi no kuruhuka nuko nyine nawundi abantu mujye mubareka you know nta numwe uzi exactly hano narindi akumwibutsa no kwirwa muvuga amagambo mutanazi you know mujye mwicecekera abantu muvuga amagambo mutazi mwibuka mu byo mwavuze kuri Twitter inshuro magana byose narabibonaga nkabacisha mwijisho nubwo twitanye na isibye ariko narabibonaga nkabareba nkabacisha mwijisho nyine Eric inzu barayitwa Eric nijye barabitwa Rwanda barankumirwa Hi guys, amakuru yanyu mwe mumumbuye. Nawe ukumeze neza umva vitamini umva boku na boku ego ariko abapaparazi we nabimye interview ko airport naje nabihisha ariko umva mwagize ute mwanshakije muramfotora mu ngirute anyway hi umva ndaho ndakomeye ukumanze ndimo rero 7-star Diamond 7-star you know ego umva ndahari amazina yanjye ni Eric Semuhungu ndahise mwemumbuye mwabipondeze ako nyine ndakomeye mva dufite byinshi byo kuzaganira igihe nikigera mva ndananiwe. Ego reka mbatembeze da. Ego mva. This is my room, my TV over there. Where Kigali Rwanda? Mva erega umunyarwanda kandi baravuga bacungana mu kinyarwanda ngamazi arashya ariko nibagirwa iwabo wambeho. Ego ndi home rero Kigali kabisa. Ngo nimuzanceho ngo mwaye kunsuhuza mwabipondeze mwe mva muzansuhuze kavyuse ko nako kambereke view do. This place so peaceful, guys. So peaceful. Wow. Anyway, ndi kubona message zanyu umva telefone yanyu murenda kuyimena. Gusa that's good. Thank you for the love, guys. Thank you for the love. Ndaza gushaka ukuntu mwese nzabasubiza, nzashaka no kuntu tutegura nka live tuganire. Abantu birwaga bavuga amagambo batazi ngerike bine Eric biriya, nimukajye mugendera mu kigaye no kumva amakuru y'ibihuha, nimukajye mwumva ibihuha si byiza. Yeretse ko abantu nyine baba bashaka kugira abanayigurishiriza amakuru, ariko deep and down ndaho meze neza. Ngewe ibyo bavuga byose biraza bikinjira hano bigasohokera hano. Ndacyari Eric wa wundi meze neza ndakomeye. So hano ari ikintu mbaye koko. Nta na filter nashyizemo kugira ngo mubone ko rwose I'm good. Niko. Yeah, anyway, ndi hano ndi guciringa ndi no kuruhuka nuko nyine. Nawundi abantu mujye mubareka. You know, nta n'umwe uzi exactly hano narindi akumwibutsa no kwirwa muvuga amagambo mutanazi, you know, mujye mwicecekera abantu muvuga amagambo mutazi. Mwibuka mu byo mwavuze kuri Twitter inshuro magana byose narabibonaga nkabacisha mwijisho nubwo twitanye na isibye, ariko narabibonaga nkabareba nkabacisha mwijisho nyine. Eric inzu ye barayitwa, Eric nijye barabitwa, ibanda barankumirwa.
Oh my God, Eric, your birthday has come right in time when you need it. Oh my God, January 1st, that is your birthday. I can't believe it that you got all this. Oh my God, you got so much love from all your fans. I don't know who gave you what. Jesus Christ, I can't believe they gave you the Louis Vuitton. That is so heavy. Oh my God.
Have you seen this? Come closer.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Have you seen this?
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my God. That is all coming from your fans?
Look at that.
Oh my God. You guys love Eric so much. Look at him. He is so distorted, like he can't even believe it. Thank you guys for loving him. What is that?
It's an royal process. It's surprise, guys.
What is that?
Surprise.
Okay, what is it? Like, let me back up. What is it? What is it?
Louis Vuitton. Original from Paris, France.
Okay.
And
I hope it's not fake.
not all this from Italy, France, Italy.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow. Guys, look at that. I guess it's not fake, like I thought. It's not fake.
Because, there's nothing fake in America, darling.
Okay, oh, so this was got in America?
No. We buy it in America, but it's from France.
Oh my God. Guys,
Are you
I'm excited. What are we unwrapping? This is so crazy. I am excited, Eric.
All this money.
No, what is that?
It's surprise.
What is it?
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Unwrap.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
Unwrap.
Oh my God.
Unwrap.
That is crazy. I am crazy. I'm going crazy on this. Oh my God.
Unwrap.
Oh my God.
Unwrap.
Oh my God. It's a Louis Vuitton, but I'm going crazy. What's that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Sauce.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Louis Vuitton Paris. Original. Louis Vuitton Paris. You can see original.
Oh my God.
Yes, guys.
Oh my God.
Since we decided to travel first class and business class, this is for our first class.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
Oh my God. You're just, oh my God, you're killing me. What? 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 No. No.
Look.
No.
Look. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Oh, I can't believe it.
Yes, darling. You see it?
My breath. My breath.
You can see.
My
Very
breath.
class.
My breath.
This
My breath.
original suitcase.
My breath. My breath. Okay. There are so many presents from Christian Louboutin.
Chris Louis Vuitton.
I can't even say the name.
Louis Vuitton.
Oh,
Louis Vuitton.
I can't even say the name.
Louis Vuitton.
Okay, what else?
Okay.
I can't
Next.
say the name.
Next.
I can't say the name.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I can't say the name. That is too much. Okay, how much was that?
This 5,000.
What?
5,000 US dollar.
You paid what?
5,000 US dollar, darling. Yes, quality. Look.
Hold on. A
Quality.
client paid that for you?
Look. Quality.
Oh no.
Quality. Quality. Louis Vuitton is now.
Fuck. Okay.
Paris.
Okay, you're done. You're not my friend because I'm cheap. I'm cheap.
Well, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Surprise.
I am skeptical. Guys, you better be ready for this. I don't know what it is. The fact that he gave me a $5,000 suitcase, I am going crazy. So I don't know what I'm going into right now.
Okay, you ready?
And this is driving me crazy because I am so nervous.
Don't get nervous.
Eric, please don't make me nervous. I don't know what it is.
You ready?
I am not ready.
Original.
Okay.
This is not Walmart. This is not Ross. This is not
Okay.
whatever.
I'm getting there.
Are you ready?
I'm getting there. I'm so nervous.
Focus.
I am so nervous.
Focus.
I am so nervous.
Focus.
I am so nervous. I am so nervous.
Yes. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. Are you ready?
I am nervous.
Louis Vuitton.
I am nervous.
Are you seeing this?
You guys are seeing this. This is all live. I am
All live
nervous.
Directement. Direct.
Nothing duplicate. I am nervous.
Are you ready?
Oh my God.
Are you watching me? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, hold
Oh
on.
my God.
Hold on. Surprise.
Oh my God.
Surprise.
The same unwrapping.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No. No.
Yes.
No.
Darling. Yes, darling. This alligator leather. Look. Alligator leather. Look.
This, guys,
Original from
this
Paris.
is from Paris. Look at that.
Madame Louis Vuitton.
And this is velvety.
Velvet. Yes.
Yeah.
So when you going in the first class.
This is real Paris.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
When you travel in first
Oh
class,
my God.
you go like this.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes. This one was 4,500. This one right here.
Really?
This one was,
Oh my
this one was
God.
5,000, 4,500.
You're making me jealous.
Look, first class. Big booked and busy. Yes, darling. Yeah. Y'all, you're not ready for this. Travel like pro. Travel like pro. Travel like pro. You hear how heavy it is?
Yeah,
Very
it's
classy.
really, guys, let me tell you. Let me, this is me. This is me. I am feeling the bag. This is crazy. I can't believe this bitch got this. Oh my God. This is crazy. I don't know. He must have killed somebody. He must have killed somebody. Look, there are so many Louis Vuitton here. I don't know what else we're gonna get. Oh, are we gonna get something from here?
Hold on. Did they see this?
Okay, did you guys see that?
Did you see this? So classy.
Did you guys see that?
So classy.
Okay, can you explain? I don't know. I've never held such
It's
a bag.
4,500 US dollars
Oh my God.
from Paris.
Oh wow.
Louis Vuitton.
Oh wow.
Yes. Man talk.
Bitch, who bought you that? Did you kill somebody? Look at the bitch. Look at the bitch.
Working hard, darling. Look.
Look at the bitch.
Yes.
Louis Vuitton.
First class. And that is.
You're such a bitch.
Original.
That's the
From
bitch.
Louis Vuitton. So our name shall traveling like
Talk
pro.
to them. I am done. with
Travel like bro. Like travel like pro. Ibintu byo gutravelinga muri kwigira ibintu bya nyakatsi mutubeshya mutravelinga nk'abakire ibintu byo gutravelinga bya nyakatsi turabihaze mujye mutravelinga nk'abagore b'abakire bahagafashe undi tuzahora mu nzira mfashe isakoshi 2500 ubwo uzaza unsuhuza gute uzansubiza hari hakurya hari hakurya kuko nuza nkusubiza bya nyakatsi mfashe isakoshi 5000 nzakureba ucishe mu ijisho je te jure yeah oui so here we go more.
Oh my God, there's more. We are going to unwrap.
You guys, you ready?
I can't believe it. You guys, you better be ready because we have so much. Look at the case where
Did you
the
see the
suitcase
case?
came out. This is so big. This is so
Yeah.
big. I can't believe it.
From Paris.
It's, yeah.
From Paris to
Yes, it's so big. Oh my God. What's next?
They're not ready.
Yes, I think they're ready.
They're ready?
Yeah, they're ready. Oh my God, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy.
As I told you,
Look,
this is what we
we
do.
have presents here. There's this and there's that.
Unboxing event.
Yes, everything. Louis Vuitton today. Guys, be ready.
Are you
Get
ready?
yourselves together. Oh my God, Eric went out. His birthday is coming up. This is crazy. Oh my God, this bitch is crazy.
Yes. Look. Oh no. Yes. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Are you
Look at
listening?
that. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at that. This.
So go slow by slow.
Look at this. This is another one.
Hey, you guys, are you ready?
Look at this. I don't know what's in here. I swear to God. But whatever it is, he's here. The big guy.
You guys, you ready?
Yeah. I don't know.
Money talk.
He's there. He's there.
Money talk.
He's there.
You guys ready?
They're ready.
You guys ready? Oh my God, I'm so.
Oh my God. I don't know. Whatever is that's in there. Oh my God. What is in there? I am excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Eric, open it. Open it. Everyone is excited.
Look.
What's in there? Seriously, what's in there? Eric, no, don't even play games on us. Because everyone is excited. No.
Surprise.
What?
Surprise,
What?
surprise,
What?
surprise,
What?
surprise,
Look, guys.
surprise,
Look, guys. Look, guys. What's that? Are those
Louis
bags?
Vuitton.
Are those
Surprise.
are those bags?
Surprise.
What's that?
Surprise.
No, okay, don't surprise people and hold them for a long time.
Surprise.
No. I wanna know. Like anybody.
Yes!
Oh, what the fuck?
Yes! Yes, baby. Louis Vuitton Madden each other darling. Ah! Bandoze kunuka makaya. Yo, mowe. Montien, hello. Nerike muvugana. Hello. Hello. Yes. Darling, hold on. Darling,
Oh my God.
darling,
He's gonna try on. Do you know what? We're going crazy in this house. Oh my God.
You're
Oh,
gonna
look.
ready for this.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Everybody.
This shows literally 2,500 US dollar. 2,500 US dollar.
Everybody. You heard Eric's voice, not my
Oh.
voice.
Jesus Christ. Hold on for it. Not yet.
He's so happy.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Louis Vuitton ifite na code. Sijari bya ibyo byanoza. Sijari bya nyunya yakati. Louis Vuitton made in Italy. Hello. 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 Yes, it's Eric. How are you? Paris, Italy. I'm coming, darling. Darling. Ubwo se waza kundireta nambaye inkweto ya Louis Vuitton uzanyangaye kuko.
Oh my God. Do you know what?
Jesus Christ.
Everyone watching, Eric is so happy. Eric is so happy.
Hello.
Eric is so happy.
Hello. Il numéro composé. Il t'a passé de ton maman. Elle est en fille. Il te le maman. The telephone number you go is not. Oh my God. Yes, yes. Well. Jesus. Oui, les enfants, mais moi, c'est $2,500. $2,500. Hey! Jesus Christ! $2,500. Hey! Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Hey! Jesus Christ! $2,500. Hey! Je te jure. Dacyafungura. We're still opening.
I know. There's so much.
Did you show them?
Yeah.
Did you show them?
Yeah, it's right there at the bottom of the foot. Let me see the bottom. The other one. Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Another one.
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah. So it's guys, it's real. And we're still opening up more. We are still opening up more gifts.
Hey, more.
Yeah.
Jesus, look.
Yes, that's beautiful. That is beautiful.
Very beautiful. Look.
Yes.
My chest. Made in Italy.
Yeah.
$2,500, guys. $2,500. Work hard always. Pays off. What the heck? Doing? Give me phone. Boku na boku.
You say work hard.
Hey. Look. Vuitton. Vito na
Vito.
Na vituation na viture.
Yeah.
Boku na boku.
Boko na boko.
Nyonyo na nyonyo.
Nyonyo na nyonyo. Guys, let me tell you, Eric is going crazy. And the unwrapping is really going crazy. Oh my God. He's
What
still...
is next?
I don't know. You still have so much that I don't even know what you're unwrapping next.
Next. Oh my God, I don't even know where to.
What is next?
I'm confused.
Oh my God. People are here. They want to see you. Oh my God. Eric, you're not going to get me crazy unwrapping that because it looks big. And your people want you to unwrap something and you're going crazy. Oh my God. Guys, get ready. I don't know what this is, but I guess the box is so big like you see it, and Eric has something up his sleeve. It's going to be big and bigger than what I thought that was before. So,
Are you guys ready?
let's unwrap.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
If you dance, like you're not gonna see. Hold on.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
I can see that thing.
We're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, Eric. Go, Eric. Go, Eric. Go, Eric. Eric, why are you going so? Why hold it? Oh my God.
Are you ready?
What is that?
Are you ready?
Now? What is that?
Are you ready? Come closer. Come closer.
Everyone is seeing. What's that?
Are you ready?
Okay, Louis Vuitton. What's that?
Louis Vuitton.
Is it a bag?
Surprise. Are you ready?
You're such a bitch.
Wow. Oh my God. Woo! 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 New edition. Hello. Hello.
Okay, I am done with Eric.
Hello. Hello. Trommel sensor. Hello.
I'm done with you, bitch.
3,500. Hello. US dollar. Hello. Je te jure. Viens sur la table. Oui. Oui. Nango humva. Uvuze? Madden, show them Madden wear. Amakuru, hello. Made in Italy, darling. Made in Italy. We are talking Italy. Not Africa, not Asia, not...
Banange munansasira. Eric, I'm done with you.
Hello. Hello. Hold on.
Okay, everyone wants to know all your presents you got from different people. Oh, by the
Jesus.
Oh, you look good though.
Jesus.
Oh, you look good.
Look. Louis Vuitton. Original. It's either way to buy Jay-Z Bambara, buy champagne papi, buy DJ Carrot. Now, why could you say some of that? Hold on. Is he coming? Hold on. Jesus Christ. Unwrapping this too much here.
Oh, this is too much.
We're gonna unwrap it in the morning.
Do you know what? People shouldn't give you presents. And don't call me in the evening to come and help you unwrap your presents.
Look.
Oh, wow.
Jesus Christ.
Look at that.
Jesus Christ.
You look good.
Thank you. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alligator skin. Heavy like limousine.
You look good.
Thank you. Look.
Yeah, you look good.
Louis Vuitton. Original.
Yeah.
Original. Hey.
Yeah.
3,500.
What is that?
3,500. 2,500.
Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Oh my God. Do you know what?
Let's stop from here. Oh my God.
As we are doing all this, Eric is getting excited, unwrapping, and we are still unwrapping.
Unwrapping. What's next?
I don't know.
Look, let me unwrap here. Oh, let me open from on top. My goodness. You guys ready?
I don't know.
You guys, you ready?
I don't know if they're ready.
Oh, hold on. Yes.
Yeah, I think people are getting ready because I see so many people joining. People join. People show some love.
Join after join.
Show some love. Show some love. When somebody gets something,
Look.
always show some love.
Look.
What the hell is that?
Surprise.
Oh my God, what is that?
Surprise.
And we are gonna give somebody that shows you love to Uganda.
Look.
This is going to...
Yes. Passport holder, baby. Louis Vuitton. Mm-hmm.
Do you know what?
Passport holder.
No,
Made
you
in
know-
where? Look, hold on. Go slow. Hold on. Made in Paris, France. Raymond, Louis Vuitton. Je te jure.
No, do you know what? I think we should give this one to somebody as a present in Uganda that has shown you love this year?
True. Okay. Who's that? We're gonna see you here on the live. Then you're gonna know which
Yes.
one.
You know how much this was?
Yes. This was 500.
Yes.
This was 500. Hold on. Yes.
We'll give it out as a present.
Okay, here we go. Why on this passport holder, you can holding your passport and your card. You can put your cards here and your passport here. Did you see that? Very classy. Hold on, let me go again. More. Why on? Rift of Paris. Rift on Melon Paris.
Oh, you're gonna go which fan and
Let's go. Next. Hey, what's next? That's done. Next.
This is a present, guys.
Yeah, that's
the best.
That's a present. We're gonna give it as a present, right?
Yeah, that's a present.
Look, did you show them these shoes?
You look good.
Did
now
you?
ate kati dekera nawe we mulisiza
No.
okisusiza.
Oh, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ate kino chichi.
Chino surprise.
Kino chichate.
Louis Vuitton.
Kino chichate.
Surprise.
Kino chichi.
Surprise.
Chichi.
Surprise.
Chichecho.
Oh. Hey, card holder. Made in Paris.
Nyoka eyo tojigaba. Iyo. Eyo iyo tojigaba.
Sisa jigaba. Guys,
Eyo.
série number, nizano zose série number. Zos original. Waibonye? Reza. Yeah. Baraza kudoga kunuka amafi, you guys.
Eyo iyo tojigaba.
Ingi kubifashe gutya, Vuitton. Genda neza ifashe neza mu ntoki. Umeze gutya. Oh my God. People they love it. So classy. So classy, darling. Booked and busy all the time.
No je tugenda okuwanga ekirabo.
Look.
Ya passport. Eno yabadde ya bbeeyi oba.
Yeah. Kakati. Ino mwajilabye. Hey. Hold on. Let's go here.
Kati kye waguze ekirala sikimanyi.
Do you want me to go more?
Simanyi kye waguze. Kyekira kye waguze. Nawe weeraganya.
Hello. No. Hello.
Bannange munansonyiwa naye mpulira nkooye.
Hello. Louis Vuitton. Paris. Saint-Germain. Indakum. Tusisikanile yo. Mu Paris. Kali. Zaventum. You guys are not ready. Next.
Eric nawonta wanje bannange.
Come closer.
Ngenda ewange. Waguze bimeka. Era kati tukyayina ebirala.
Yeah, come closer.
Ngonta wanya.
Oh my God. Can you?
Nedda. Onta wanya.
Please.
Nedda onta wanya. Kati nange nyombye.
Can you please?
Nange nyombye.
Can you please?
Olabika bulungi yes. Abantu bakulaba nange nyombye nkooye.
This 3,500.
Zezo. Nange nkooye ngenda. Olaba nesimu njukubye.
Umumama yarushye ngo rekera kweraga nawe. Kubaga mu mukazi yakoye ngo ndeke kwera. Kali to continue. Continue. Wa mukazi agambye yakoye. Okay, continue. We continue.
Banvumi.
Baga mambo wako wabagambye okoye yagala kwebaka.
Ati nange mbadde nkooye kati nkole bwenti ogituniza ewuwo.
Did they kill like that? Leave it like that.
Kati bampulira.
Yeah, they hear. Of course they hear. Everything's recorded like. Okay. Tugenza.
Eric nze nakooye dda. Inshuti zanje jewe ndananiwe. Eric nagarananiwe tuzagenda. Ayafite Louis Vuitton.
More. Moi, c'est Louis Vuitton. Moi, Dior. Moi, Valentino.
Are you guys ready to unwrap all these things?
Unwrap tomorrow.
We're gonna unwrap tomorrow because
Georgia Alamani.
Eric is crazy.
All this. Georgia Armani. Georgia Armani. Money. Okay. You guys ready? Georgia Armani.
Are you guys ready for the unwrap?
Dior.
We have so much Louis Vuitton here.
Chanel.
We have Valentino, Giorgio Armani, Chanel, Dior, Boss.
Gucci.
Oh my God, Gucci,
Versace. Let me
Versace.
show them. Oh my God. Travel like pro Eric. Let's go. Yes. Hold on. Gucci. 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 We are it.
No.
Versace.
You know what? Come here. Unwrap this. Remember the Chanel? Remember the Chanel?
Who got the boss? Dior,
No.
Chanel,
No.
Valentino, Louis Vuitton, Giorgio Armani,
Eric.
Dior,
Eric.
Louis Vuitton.
Remember this. And second, remember this.
Okay.
Can you cut the cake?
Let's we cut a cake. Let's we cut a cake.
Cut the cake.
Cut a cake. Cut a cake.
Cut the cake.
Cut a cake.
Cut the cake.
Cut a cake.
Cut the cake.
Cut
Cut
a cake.
the cake.
Ooh, Cologne.
Oh,
Cologne. Chanel. Woo. Wow.
yeah. And the other cake.
Made in France.
Yeah.
Made in France.
And cut the other cake.
Kakabeza.
Yes, mocha kabeza. So these are my mom's presents. This is my dad. This is my dad's present. Even though it's here, this is my mother's present.
Look. Merry Christmas. May your heart sparkle this holiday.
Dear lads. Lacombe. I don't. Lacombe, yeah.
Lacombe. Paris. Ibyiza byose biva muri Paris. Ibyiza byose biva muri Paris. Ibyiza byose biva muri Italy. Ibyiza byose biva muri Spain. Ibyiza byose biva muri Italy.
Oh my God. You guys, Eric is going to sleep in his shoes.
Chanel.
He's going crazy over his shoes.
Hello.
Look at him. He's like on the phone.
Hello. Hello. I don't hear you.
What?
Can you call me back? I'm busy.
Ah!
Hello. Yes, hello. Okay, next. Jesus, we have a lot of things to open.
Oh my God. There's so many bags. Yeah, we're going to open. Guys, we are so sorry. The rest of the bags will be opened up tomorrow.
To people who didn't start with this big box comes this suitcase. It was 5,000, 4,500. All Paris diamonds. Fancy, luxury, travel like a pro. All these perfumes, I didn't open nothing.
I know these are all perfumes.
But we're gonna open it.
Can you open up at least a Valentino or Georgia perfume so people can see how they look like? That would be nice.
Who got the boss?
I don't know, whatever.
Look.
Because you say those are perfumes.
Who got boss? Let me open one for them. Slide.
Guys, you can
Look how
see
big
Eric.
it is. Guys, this perfume, not all the toilet, not all the perfume, but perfume. Hugo Boss. Why you want? Jesus Christ, this is too much. Descends mes huîtres. Je te jure. Hugo Boss. Hugo Boss. It's like literally cooperating. Hey, Gucci. Beauty Gucci. Beauty Gucci. Gucci ni initial. No. Gucci. Gucci. Gucci Beauty. Gucci. Oh my god. Too much. Gucci. Gucci. Hello, Gucci. Hello. Mama Gucci. Mama Gucci, ça va? Oh, ça va? Oui. Mama Versace. Mama Versace. Mm-hmm. Look.
Oh my God. You got something from Versace?
Yeah, it's all too much. We can open.
No, can you open something from Versace so people can see it? They'll be excited.
Oh, they want to see some Versace?
Yes,
Look.
please.
Let me open this from Versace.
Yes.
Versace to Versace.
Yeah. Please open it.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's there though.
Look.
What's there?
You don't even show them. You just don't know.
No, it's there. They're seeing it. They are seeing it. I swear to God.
Hello.
No, they don't want to see your Louis Vuitton shoes. They want to see what's coming from the Versace box. Either it's fake or real.
There's nothing fake about it.
What the hell is that?
You know, guys, you know that I
You're
love
such a bitch.
Elos. Hello, Elos. Look,
You're such a
look,
bitch.
Versace.
You're such a
Versace.
bitch.
Elos. Made in Italy, guys. This Versace is made in Italy.
You're such a bitch.
I'm not the bitch.
No, you got me right. You got me wrong.
Look.
No, seriously, you got me wrong.
Oh, you guys.
I thought you were faking it. I swear to God, I thought you were faking it.
You didn't know there's something in?
No, I thought you were faking it.
Darling. Hello. Hi, Mama Versace. Mama Champagne. Guys, we're coming in France very soon. for Fashion Week for Dior. Christian Dior. Yes, je suis.
Okay, can we open one
Look,
more?
Gucci.
Only.
Let's see Gucci. Let
Yes.
me open this. Because we have a lot of Gucci. Let me open one.
Okay, one Gucci.
Because I have this and that.
Guys, are you ready for Gucci? You better be ready for Gucci. Because sometimes I don't know what Eric is gonna get up my sleeve. But
Yes, what is it in here?
I don't know what's in there.
Gucci. Let me come copy. Gucci. Beauty.
Guys, are you ready? Eric is opening up a Gucci.
Beauty.
I don't know what's in there, but something is in there. Are you guys ready?
Here we go. One.
Okay, we're trying to be ready. Guys, be with me.
1, 2.
Guys, you gotta be ready to be with me.
Wait, this is too much.
I want us to go to 80. We are 73.
1, 2. Oh, what about the Chanel? Is this the Chanel?
Do you guys want to see the Chanel or Gucci?
Or Valentino? Or Dior?
Okay, we're going up. We're going up in numbers. Yes. Yes, we're going up.
Okay, here we go.
Hold on. We're going up. Gucci or Chanel? Guys, let me know. Gucci or Chanel? Oh, everyone says Gucci.
Hello, I'm coming.
Gucci or Chanel?
Hello.
Gucci or Chanel? Good 80, Gucci or Chanel? 80, Gucci or Chanel?
Hello.
Oh my God, Eric, you crazy.
Hi, darling. You guys.
Guys, Gucci or Chanel? Gucci or Chanel?
Guys, I'm going to post all this on YouTube.
Gucci or Chanel, guys? Gucci or 80? We have to make it to 80. Gucci or Chanel?
Leave them. This should go next. What's next?
Gucci or Chanel? Guys, 80. We have to get to 80. Gucci or Chanel?
Look. Okay, hold on. Stay here. Show them this.
Gucci or Chanel, guys. 80 Gucci or Chanel, whatever.
I think network. It's okay. I guess it like that. Again, I post on YouTube. No, anyway. Okay, let's go with what? Chanel? No, Gucci. Let's go with Gucci.
Bagara Valentino.
Valentino?
So you guys want Valentino?
How many people want Valentino?
Gucci shit, but oh my god, so many people are complaining.
Like, we're complaining. One is to more.
Okay, we are going. I think the majority of you want.
Show them LV. Show them LV. No, it's a. Damn, why are you giving them
LV? That is your LV. I don't know what's in there. No, there. I don't know what's in there.
It's
what's in
supplies.
there? What's in there?
It's all supplies.
What
They
the
can
fuck?
think. They can think this is that. Show them that's different. Show them there. That's different.
Okay, that you see, you guys, you already saw that. That is different. That is different. And this, I swear to God, I don't know what's in here. That's why I was calling him out and say, what the fuck is going on in here? I don't know. I don't know what's going on in here.
Because the language. Anyway, guys, let's open one thing for now.
Okay.
We're gonna continue.
No, let's open. People want you to open up the Gucci, then the Chanel.
No, you don't wanna open anything. It's gonna be too much. Look over there. Look over here. There's a lot of things we need to open.
Okay, open up the Gucci.
Okay, Gucci.
People want to see the Gucci.
Okay, here we go.
Because we have to be real. Okay, what is in there? What the fuck is in there?
Supplies. You ready?
What the fuck?
They wanna block us if you use those strong languages.
What?
Oh. You're not even showing them.
Okay, guys, do you know what? Look at that.
Perfume. Gucci guilty. Gucci guilty. Perfume. Not all the toilet. Not all the perfume. Just perfume. Still perfume.
I even didn't know.
Yes.
Do you know what? You're so secretive.
Yes.
How can you be my friend and you're so secretive?
Gucci guilty, darling.
Okay, what's next?
The next.
No, but we have to give people. We are giving out a wallet, a real Louis Vuitton wallet to somebody that.
It's real. And all these things from Paris.
No, we are
You
giving.
don't have to explain to them anything. The person who knows the things real one, he knows.
Eric,
Just
we
because
are
of
giving
like
out. We are.
Kalangala, they don't know Gucci. How are you gonna explain them? Gucci?
Eric, we are giving out a wallet to somebody that comments to your YouTube or your, we bought that. Actually, we didn't. You did. 500 something. And we are giving it out to somebody. It's worth 500 and something dollars. We are giving it out to somebody.
The wallet.
Oh God, you can't even mention the name. Okay, next.
Me, I'm sleepy. Tired. Okay, what's the next? What do they say next?
Eric, what are you giving your supporters?
Here. Supplies.
Oh my God. Can I see it?
It's supplies.
No, can I see it?
What are they talking about there?
They've gone down.
Because you're not showing them nothing.
Eric, they are seeing everything. That is the
Your
surprise.
phone is over there.
No, that is the surprise.
The surprise we're gonna give to them.
Yes, we have to tell them the surprise.
Surprise.
Guys, we have a surprise for you. We have a
this we're gonna
surprise
give
for you.
The best commentary for the year on Eric Semuhungu's account.
So,
I'm gonna check all the message from.
this is the way it is. Comment, share. Somebody else is going to comment and share. This is it.
Yes,
This is the present. We are unwrapping it.
It's gonna be surprised. Let me show them.
This is the present, guys. Comment and share. The more you share, the more you comment, You're gonna win this. This is the present. It's not fake, it's real. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. $600. Yes.
Paris. Paris. Paris, baby. Paris.
You see that, guys? Comment and share.
Is new wallet ya nyonyo.
Yeah. The more you share, the more your entry is validated.
Yes. You saw it. Bokuna.
Guys, comment and share. Eric Semuhungu. Share.
Oh God, let me stop. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. It's too much. We can't finish right now.
I know, we have so much.
Yeah, thank you, guys. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I don't want to lose this video because it keeps stopping. But thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you. Wow. Wow, everyone say wow. Give us a video. She's very. Where's my man?
Told you what you wanted now. You just got to say.
Ibyo mvuye kugura nyine sinabari kubona kari bishyashya gusa kado ninde waguha kado zawe wifite koko. Bye guys. Bye guys. This year we are not screenshotting, we are buying. This year, repeat after me. This year we are not screenshotting, we are buying. You, this year we are not what? Screenshotting. We are buying. This year we are not screenshotting. We are buying. This year we are not screenshotting. We are buying. This year we are not screenshotting. This year we are not screenshotting. This year we are not screenshotting. We are buying. This year, repeat after me. This year we are not screenshotting. We are buying. We are buying. We are buying. Ubwo imwaka no kujya traveling muri nkuko bisanzwe business class, first class, business class, first class. Other than that, no traveling actually. If it's not business class or first class, no traveling, darling. Louis Vuitton était $3500. Hey, je te jure. Yengo na lo meno kriki man.